Hey guys, welcome back. This is Hasib the Casual Clasher, and in this video we are gonna be doing level 16 Fort Knobs. In this video I'm just gonna drop a couple of archers to take out the air defense. I want you to make sure that you have unlocked balloons by now, because you're gonna need them from now on. If not, go ahead and upgrade your barracks. There it goes. Now I'm gonna drop a balloon here and one balloon here. I'm gonna drop a couple of more balloons to speed up the process. As you can see, there are no defenses left which can attack me. I'm just gonna speed up the process and send in some gobs. That's 100% sweet victory. I hope you guys liked the video and don't forget to subscribe me. Thank you. Meet you in the level 17.